This is koning fantastisch. Yo baba, koning fantastisch. I came to the guy and he was looking very miserable. And he gave me that look to give him a koning fantastische vriend. Fantastisch. Koning fantastisch begin met die first guideline. En hy sit dit in met die trommel. Fantastisch man. En as I move, I brush my way down. For all die loshare om af te val. To make that line smooth when I come over it again. Then I grab my koning fantastisch clippers, putting in a second guideline. Fantastisch man. Keeping it as smooth as possible to create a super blurry koning fantastisch way. Hey, koning fantastisch sit die feit in. Hy sit die feit in. Ek is fantastisch man. And as the koning fantastisch move, you take out as you put in. Fantastisch man. And for the guide system, this is mine how I create my koning fantastisch way. Fantastisch. And if you have your own system of creating, just keep on doing what you're doing. Because consistency is key. Fantastisch man. With my one guard open, creating another guideline. Fantastic. With the up and down stroke, that fade already becoming smooth. Fantastic. Taking my time in making sure everything is neat as possible. And remember, as the koning fantastisch move, you take out as you put in. Fantastic. With my half guard, I took out that line I created with my one. Fantastisch man. Dis weet is drastisch man. Dit is aan die brand man. Weer bietjie water man. My hande is te warm man. Dit wat aan vlam man. Sal jou sok soos 'n gun man. Jou hare sal bewe van die klippe se klank man. Jy het jou los alles deel van die plant man. Koning fantastisch kan verstaan man. Moving that lever up and down man. Snake in die golwe voor hy brand is jou nou slaan man. Hier is aan my kans man. Om die vede in te slaan man. So ek gryp die laaste kamp. My 1.5 is 10 man. Vir die laaste lyn om wat in te sit en uit te kry. Ek borsel die in die brein. Tot die lyne stiptelik verdwyn. Die man is aan getrain. Die vede is aan nou klas vat te foto's. Dit kon vreemd fantastisch doen dat op die beat en sy moet sy self wel fit. Wie is die man wat sy moet blame vir die fantastische vede. Sê my wie is die beste in die game. Ja die is hy. By the way, taking out that last guideline with my one guard open. Moving my lever up and down. Coming straight from the underground. Nevertheless, the cut is almost done. All I need to do, fantastic. Just go over with the 1.5 again. Fantastic. Take down, fantastic. That bulk on fantastic. Lastly, I give my man a koning fantastic lineup. Starting in the middle and move my way naar die vier. Fantastic. If you want a koning fantastic, you can like this. Just book me on WhatsApp and I'm gonna be in my bio. Fantastisch man. My man was looking not so nice. To koning fantastisch was. Fantastisch man. And this is the cut. As you can see, koning fantastisch is out. Fantastisch man.